I'm in my yard in front of some banana plants. We just had a hurricane come through, tropical force winds, flooding, you name it. It was going sideways. My banana plants were pushed on over. A lot of them that had fruit on them are now on the ground. So I'm going around today to salvage what I could and trim them up. So this is what it looks like. So as you can see, this banana plant has fruit on it, and right up in here it cracked in half. I'm gonna have to chop that down. This rack over here on the ground, nice sized bananas, but they're not ripe yet. They're still square. Those are a loss. And the plant went ahead and cracked. Then over here, I had another plant crack. I have to trim all this up. And then I gotta tackle that mess over there, all the way around. So you can imagine how heartbroken I am that I lost so many racks of bananas and banana plants. But hey, that's gardening. That's living in Florida in the tropics. If a hurricane comes through, you can replace plants. You can replace a house, but you cannot replace your life. So I was in the house. My house stayed intact. Now I'm cleaning up the aftermath out here. Besides, the neighborhood's all flooded. It was like a river going down the road. There was fish swimming in the road. It was about a foot or more deep because the lake overflowed. But anyway, let me go on with my video. Okay, so I have my machete. I'm going to trim off some leaves and chop down the plants. Too bad. This would have made a nice rack of bananas, but right now it's chop and drop. Got red ants all over my leg. Ah. Now I know why there's a big mound of red ants over there. Alright, let me finish cutting this down and I'll get back to you. Okay, so I went ahead and trimmed all those up. Lost a couple racks of bananas. And right over here, this is a praying hands rack. Okay, so let's cut off this bud. Look how thick that shoot was. Now, you can tell these are praying hands. There's a top and a bottom like praying hands. Now let's cut it this way. Now you can see these were already nice and formed. This is the inside. When you peel the bud, all these were going to be the praying ham bananas. This is what the inside looks like. So if you strip it away, you got bananas. I already got those. See the bananas in there? More on the sides, more coming down like this. They're in between each one. And then you can see all the different ones that were coming out, all the way down like that. So anyway, I went ahead and trimmed those all up. Lost a couple racks of bananas. But now that those are trimmed, there's going to be new parent plants, and they're going to have racks of bananas. That's why banana plants shoot off pups. So when the parent plant, if something happens to it, the survival of the plant are the pups or the suckers. So they're going to survive, and I'll get new ones. So I chopped these up, I trimmed them up. Now it's up to Mother Nature to let them grow, and hopefully they won't bear fruit until spring, and they won't get a winter frost. So anyway, hey, this is Sam, the Frugal Hugel Gardener, trimming up, cutting down, chopping, dropping. Survival of the fittest for the plants. After the hurricane, after the tropical storm, after the flooding, wreaked havoc on all my banana plants. So hey, give me a like, give me a share. Come on over to my Facebook page. Come on over to my Facebook group. We would love to have you. So until then, we'll see you later.